In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the payment settings in HPanel and how to securely add a card, PayPal, or another available option so your renewals and purchases run smoothly. Start by heading to your Hostinger account's HPanel homepage. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, domains, and settings. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to bill. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm you're on the home screen of HPanel so the left-hand navigation is visible. That side menu is where we'll make all the changes today. Next, look to the left navigation menu and click Billing. This section centralizes everything related to your payments, invoices, subscriptions, and save methods. Opening Billing is helpful not just for adding a payment method today, but also for reviewing upcoming renewals and keeping track of past charges in one place. Inside the billing area, go to Payment Methods. Depending on your interface, you may see it as a tab or a clearly labeled option. This page lists any payment methods you've already saved, along with controls to manage or remove them. If it's your first time here, the list may be empty, which is perfectly fine. Now click Add Payment Method. You'll be prompted to choose from the options available in your region, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or other local methods. Pick the one you prefer and follow the on-screen requirements. For cards, that typically means entering the card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address exactly as it appears with your bank. Accuracy matters here. Matching the name and address helps prevent declines. If you select a digital wallet like PayPal, you'll be securely redirected to authorize the connection and then brought back to Hostinger when it's done. In some cases, your bank may ask for a quick verification or a one-time code to confirm the addition. When you finish, look for a confirmation message in HPanel indicating the method was added successfully. You should now see it listed on the Payment Methods page. If you notice any errors, double-check your details. Ensure your card is enabled for online transactions, and try again. Availability of specific methods can vary by country and currency, so pick what works best for you. That's it. You've added a payment method to Hostinger. From here on, checkout and renewals will be faster and more reliable, and you can manage everything right from the billing section whenever you need.